This 3-roll pack of Oleitodh Aluminum Foil Tape gives you a generous supply for ongoing sealing, patching, and repair work around ducts and metal surfaces. Each roll is noticeably thick and durable, so it holds up well on demanding jobs like HVAC ductwork, insulation seams, and metal repairs without tearing easily. The adhesive grabs firmly and lays down smoothly, making it easy to apply in long runs without annoying wrinkling, curling, or messy residue. Because the foil and adhesive tolerate both high heat and cold, this tape performs reliably on ventilation lines, furnace connections, and other temperature-stressed areas. Its moisture-resistant, weather-resistant construction makes it a dependable choice for sealing air leaks, reinforcing joints, and protecting exposed metal from the elements. The tape bonds well to common materials such as aluminum, stainless steel, and insulation facings, so it works equally well in home projects, workshops, and more industrial settings.